What is up, guys? I'm back today, and today we're gonna be playing Speed Run. Anyway, it is I think November 2024, so I don't know. And then today we're gonna be playing Roblox gameplay to Speed Run 4, homies. Anyway, we're gonna play some Speed Run to get the day started. Yeah, no, the day started. They started up. It's started from the bottom now there. Start from the bottom of the old t-shirt and then start from the bottom of it. And the whole thing is cooking here, I guess, so I don't remember. Anyway, yes. Let's start the video off with this. Awesome. The game. What? Dude, it says I have lost connection to the game. But I'm still playing. Dude. So we're still playing. Alright guys, we are back and the beginning tycoon is loading. Got it. Playing commander is so hard. Oh, nothing easy. Guys, anyway, this is I don't know what to do. We're gonna leave that, bro. Because it's not working. And now loading back. Logging back in, welcome to Roblox. OB, LOX. Little bug. I went back up by accident. We're gonna go back in and we're gonna play. We're gonna play longest water wire slide 2 winners. It's my first Roblox group. That's what it says, I guess. No. Oh, we about died already. What? No! We fell off. Come on. Help me escape jail. I'm trying to Santa Claus. Oh, she's a. Oh, 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 oh. I'm sorry, I'm not really good at one. Alright, now we got this next. Swiss cheese. Swiss. Dude. We can do this. Yes, we did it. Make sure we stand on that. Alright. Okay. No! No! We died! Alright, let's waste fun. Got it again. 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 Checkpoint! Alright, we got this. We got this. Nice. Oh man, we fell again. Oh, come on. We fell again. Easy, this is not easy. This is not easy for me anyway. Cause I am playing on a phone. Oh, whoa, gosh, we might do it. Oh, we did it. Yes. Alright, now, I guess we just climb on these. One. Alright, right, I'll make sure we get that checkpoint. Nice. I think it might be, yeah. Yeah, I know, I think I know which one it is. It might be Wade. Guys, I'm going with Wade. Oh. Yeah. Oh! Oh! Excuse! 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 Oh my god. Excuse! 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 Oh gosh, excuse! Ooh. I'm getting very lucky on this. Ooh. 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 Oh my god. Yeah, I'm getting really far on this. I guess this might be a longest winning video. No way, I thought you were supposed to skip them. Ah. Please don't tell me we missed that checkpoint. Oh, we didn't, that's good. Dude, this seems so hard. No! No, we died. Dude, I think what my longest video is like 9 minutes. Probably. No, what? Dude, oh, we were far. Guys, we are gonna try to get far as I can. Cause I'm gonna have to end the video soon. Oh my god. Oh. Alright, guys, please ignore. If you hear something in the background, please ignore it. Because my stepdad here vacuuming out car. You know how you have to clean the car? Oh man. Died already. Oh, no, 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 no. I do not want to see that. Dude, that part looks easy-ish. Dude, if the video does end, I'm not into this video until I beat this. Alright, yes. If Mario can do it, I can do it. I will do that. Alright, dude, we are now at a 10-minute video. This is great. Okay. That's also close. We cannot die. Ah! Whoa, dude, we just kind of so close. I think it might be blue this time. No, come on. I fell off by accident. Y'all think it might be wet? I think it might be wet. What? We missed the checkpoint. Dudes, no. Wow. We missed the checkpoint. Dude, I'm mad. I'll make sure we get on this thing, promise. Alright, we are on this thing. Alright, better. I got it next time. What? I'm out, guys. I hope y'all leave a like and enjoy the video. I am as well. Yep. Peace. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new.